Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Glad Makeover TV. How are you guys doing? I greet you all according to your time and according to your location. If today is your first time you are coming across my channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. But if you have subscribed before, you are blessed already because there are amazing things in my channel. Yes, that you can learn and it will help you. So in this very video, I'm going to show you guys how I do small ashoke, small gele to tie all around. This one is just a 3 layers. One, two, three, just three. And you can make use of this. If you have this type of gele at home and you just keep it that is too small, you cannot make use of it. You can make use of it, and it's very, very simple gele. So let's go and tie it together. Please just relax and let's tie it. And in case if you have this type of hair and you want to use small gele to tie your all round, because just it just very is the ashoke is very small. So what you need to do, you need to pack your hair. If you have, maybe you need to pack it, because if you leave it like this, there's no way you can do it. So you just pack it and you start. So this is what I'm going to do now. I have my rubber band in my hand. I'll just pack it the way you know it's okay by you. Just pack it. But if you want to do it, make sure you don't have what is it called, gel, because if you have gel here, maybe to style the hair, when you pack your hair, it will not work. So it's better you just then you take it back. Now I'm going, see, it just and it's not too long, it's not too long. So as I said, I'm not going to use 50-50, I'm going to use 30-70. So now have 3 pleats, just 3, because the hair tie is see it, 1, 2, 3, just only 3 pleats. When you place your gele on your head, you need to arrange it. Don't just start doing your pleating without arranging it. See it now. I want to take it down. See, now I'm just arranging the other side, arranging my pleat. You know that my hair, I pack it before. Now I want to show you. See it, just bring it out like this, and you take the shorter one up. See it now, the shorter one is up while the longer one is down. See it, just like this, like this. Now see, this is the place. Either you hold it with your neck or you hold it with your arm. It depends on where you know. If you use it will be okay for you. See it now, I'm still trying to make the pleat okay, so that the pleat will be neat. See the way I'm just trying to to get my pleat. Now see, it's like this. Okay, now if you, after you just cross it at the back, you make sure it tight. Anyway, make sure it tight, then you hold it like this. Then this one, you open it. See it, just make sure you open it like this. When you open it, then you use this one, take one edge, the edge like this, you fold it inside. Just fold it a little bit, just fold it inside, then you cross it. If you cross it, just take it down. See, because it's the ashoke is very small and you will have fine style with it. So now that you just take the ashoke to this side, don't just hold everything and tie it. No, it will not bring it will not bring out the fitting. So see what you will do. You see, just try to hold the center of it, the center of the gele. Just hold it like this and you squeeze it, because we want to use it to tie it now. Then this one that was here before, don't let your hair enter inside. Make sure you control all this hair if you have this type of hair, because some people will tell you that I have Bob Marley, I cannot tie my hair. No, you can tie your hair very well. Yes, you can tie your hair very, very well. Now I'm trying to take the hair back. So this one that I keep before, now here, I'm trying to see what you will still do in this side. Don't still take one edge. Say it now. Don't still take one edge. You still take it from the center. That is what we do, that will make the fitting out. Now I want to tie it. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. You bring this one, the Bob Marley that I packed before, take it front, or any side that you know it will not disturb you. Any side. So you see this one that I was trying to squeeze before, it's like this. Just take it like this. It's very easy. Under 10 minutes or 5 minutes, if I'm not doing my video, I will just tie my hair. Maybe I'm going to church. Very, very easy. You see, now make sure you tight, because even when you are dancing any type of dance, any music you can dance, don't be holding. If you don't tight the igele, you will not. If you are dancing, the thing will just remove. You know, now the igele will just remove. Make sure you tight and you do it. You tie it again. See it now. You're still going. Just try. You take it from up. Don't take it from down. See this one that is here before. This one is here before. Like this, so that you don't make mistake. I take it back so that nobody will make mistake and say, I don't understand the way you tie this one. Okay. Just take it, cross it. Okay. Just take it again. It's when you bring the printing from the printing, when you are creating the plate again, the plate, that's when you are creating the plate. Please, just don't let it just take it only here, fold it here, and don't take it down. So once you take it, make sure you take it down to this edge, this one too to this edge, this one to this edge. Make sure you take it, as in everything will just be going. You see it now. We have 1 2 3 before. Now I have create another one, another 3 now. 1 2 3 4. You see it. So this one inside, you draw it. If not, you will not have it will not come out. And this one too, you need to draw it. See, have the excess now that you can still use. If you don't understand anything, please drop your comment at the comment section. But if you like it, please thumbs up for me and share the video out. Share my video out, please, guys. Share my video out. Help your sister, help a friend to share her video. Please share my video. Share my video out, guys. See it. Now, this one. Just try to bring it front like this. See it. It's very, very simple and easy. If I'm not using video, I'm not recording, I'm not guys, I just want to tie my hair and go to church. Oh, it's very easy. If I'm going to church, I do like tying my hair when I'm going to church anyway. I don't know about you guys. I don't really know. Just for you to just concentrate. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. If you're a learner, beginner, please, if you want to learn, don't use big ashoke. Use small ashoke. Use small ashoke. You understand? Small igele. If you do small igele, to be very, very nice on you. It will not give you difficulties when you are tying your hair. Don't use big gele. Use small one for a beginner. Like this very small one. It's very good. Because somebody asked me to, when she's the lady saw the video that I make on that pink all round igele. She said, please help me. I'm a beginner and I want to learn how to tie this simple igele. I said, okay, though it's very, if you call it simple igele, it's very good. It's very simple if you know it. So, this is my pin. I want to pin this part of it. I said, okay, I will make the video with small ashoke. See it. With this simple small ashoke is very, very easy. That is why I come back with this style again. I told you guys, if you watch any of my video and you don't understand it, you just want me to explain it more to you, just drop comment at the comment section. If you think that one will not be fast for you, just go to my description, where I write my description. Just click there. You follow me on my Facebook page, Fashion Home. Then you can get me through Messenger fast. You can call me. So don't just waste your time. It's good we learn. It's good we learn. So you see, it's very simple and neat. Very simple and neat. Guys, what do you think about the hair tie? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this hair tie? Tell me in the comment section, please, guys. This is just all. This is just all. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. I say may God richly bless you. So this Bob Marley that I have before is now on top. Yes, it's now on top because you cannot fold it inside. See, you still have your hair at the back. Still have your hair at the back. That is all. Thank you very much. I love you guys. May God richly bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this amazing video. May God richly bless you. I love you all. Thank you.